The Ukrainian military said on Monday that it used US-made rockets to destroy 4 Russian helicopters. Ukraine's Special Operations Forces said that they carried out the attack deep behind the front lines in Russia's Belgorod region and took out 2 Ka-52s and 2 Mi-8 helicopters. Belgorod Oblast, which borders Ukraine's Sumy, Kharkiv, and Luhansk oblasts, is regularly used by Russian forces to launch attacks on Ukrainian territory. The unit said, once again, Russia thought deep rear positions were unattainable. We proved that nothing is out of reach for Ukraine's Special Operations Forces. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how Ukraine took out 2 Ka-52s and 2 Mi-8s stationed inside Russia with HIMARS. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Sometime on, or just before Monday, 4 Russian helicopters, 2 Mi-8 helicopters, and 2 Kamov Ka-52 gunships landed in Belgorod Oblast, western Russia. Russian forces had reportedly set up a concealed position there for rapid airborne operations and surprise attacks on Ukrainian troops. However, Ukrainian special forces and Kiev's main intelligence directorate were monitoring the site using at least 1 drone. According to Ukraine's Special Operations Forces, coordinated strikes, carried out alongside Kiev's GUR military intelligence agency and other units, targeted the hidden staging area. Multiple precision strikes hit the assets, triggering massive fireballs. Kamov Ka-52 Alligator is an all-weather attack helicopter operated by the Russian Air Force. It is the twin-seat variant of the Ka-50 attack helicopter. It can fly at a maximum altitude of 5,500 meters and climb at a rate of 12 meters per second. The maximum and cruise speeds of the helicopter are 300 kilometers per hour, or 186 miles per hour, and 260 kilometers per hour, or 160 miles per hour, respectively. The Ka-52 has a practical flight range of 460 kilometers, or 285 miles per hour. It is a potent attack helicopter with a variety of sensors including Phasotron, FH-01 millimeter wave radar. The platform also has a wide range of countermeasures that include active IR and electronic jammers, radar warning receiver, laser detection system, IR missile approach warning sensor, and UV-26 flare chaff dispensers in wingtip fairings. The starboard side of the fuselage is fitted with an NPPU-80 movable gun mount installed with 2 A-42 30mm automatic gun. The 6 wing-mounted external hardpoints can be attached to different combinations of weapons. The Mi-8, NATO reporting name, HIP, is a medium twin-turbine helicopter originally designed by the Soviet Union in the 1960s. It remains one of the most versatile and widely used helicopters in the world, with production continuing in Russia as of 2025. Developed by the Mil Moscow helicopter plant under the guidance of designer Mikhail Mil, the Mi-8 first flew in 1961 and was introduced into Soviet Air Force service in 1968. It has since become the most produced helicopter globally, with over 17,000 units manufactured, serving in more than 50 countries. The baseline military transport version is capable of carrying 24 troops, or 4,000 kilograms, or 8,820 pounds of cargo. It can be armed with rockets and missiles. It has a maximum speed of approximately 250 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour, with a cruising speed of 225 kilometers per hour, 140 miles per hour. The range varies by model, typically 425 to 620 kilometers, or 264 to 385 miles with standard fuel, extendable to over 1,000 kilometers, or about 620 miles with additional tanks. Both of these rotary crafts have been extensively used by Russia in the Ukraine conflict. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is a light multiple rocket launcher developed in the late 1990s for the United States Army, mounted on a standard Army M1140 truck frame. The system has seen many upgrades, including a rework of its targeting software for better accuracy. HIMARS can cover a distance of 300 miles or 480 kilometers on a single refueling and can travel with a maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour or 52 miles per hour. It can be reloaded in about a minute with only a small crew. The use of a wheeled chassis, rapid deployment, easy dismantling, and digital fire control allows HIMARS to use hit-and-run tactic, thus avoiding retaliatory strikes. It has one universal pod that can accommodate 6 unguided or guided rockets of 227mm caliber or 1 MGM-140 Army tactical missile system with a diameter of 610mm. As per reports for this strike, 4 M30A2 rockets were used. The M30A2 is part of the Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System GMLRS family developed by Lockheed Martin. It is designed for precision strikes, offering improved accuracy and safety compared to earlier variants. It is a type of area effects, long-range rocket artillery munition. M30A2 has a range of 15 to 92 kilometers, that is, 9.3 miles to 57 miles. It is equipped with the alternative warhead that contains approximately 182,000 tungsten fragments, exploding at a 10-meter height for wide area coverage without leaving unexploded submunitions, reducing civilian risks. The estimated price of Ka-52 is around $16 million, that of Mi-8 is $15 million. So the attack cost Russia about $60 million. This is a significant setback. Since Russian President Vladimir Putin launched the so-called special military operation against Ukraine, Russia has lost approximately 120 helicopters, an average of fewer than 4 per month. Monday's raid alone accounted for an entire month's worth of rotorcraft losses. This attack is part of the broader Belgorod campaign, but it also carries a measure of revenge. A year ago, on March 13, 2024, Russian artillery struck 3 Ukrainian Army Mi-8 assault helicopters on the ground in Novopavlivka, 35 miles or about 56 kilometers west of the front line, near the ruins of Avdiivka in eastern Ukraine. A cluster munition detonated above the helicopters, damaging at least 2 and killing 2 aviators. One helicopter managed to escape, but the remaining 2 were ultimately destroyed by explosives-laden drones. The Monday attack shows that the Ukrainians have a good intelligence apparatus and a fast kill chain. Ukrainians, even against all odds, are continuing to give hard times to Russians. Importantly, American-made HIMARS is proving its worth over and over again. Several times, Russian military commentators have vehemently opposed the norm of keeping high-value assets in the open. A hardened shelter can prevent this kind of disaster. This mismanagement has taken a significant toll in the past and is continuing to do so.